Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I have to share with you my favorite hair dryer that I've ever had. This is the UK List 7-in-1 hair dryer. Now, the most exciting attachment is the curlers. It comes with 2 curlers, one for each side of your head, and the way they work is that the air literally wraps the hair around the nozzle. It's not your typical hair curler. You're gonna have some trial and error, but the end result is worth it. It makes the hair feel so fluffy and smooth compared to using a typical hair iron. And since it has 3 different hair temperature options, I will usually curl my hair on the heat setting and then switch it to the cool shot, and it'll set the curl for me. It gives such beautiful flattering waves, and it can last up to a few days for me. Now, I have thick semi-straight hair, and blow drying my hair has always been a mess. And it wasn't until I used this hair dryer that I experienced my hair like staying in place while I dried it. So it's not getting tangled or flying all over my head. It usually takes me about 10 minutes to blow dry my hair until it's damp, and then I'll use one of the other attachments. For instance, I like to use the round brush on my bangs or the heat straightener for the rest of my hair. Now, if you like to do blowouts, it comes with a focused nozzle, and if you have curls, it comes with a diffuser. I've gotten so many compliments on how shiny my hair looks after using this blow dryer. I definitely recommend it as something you buy for yourself or as a gift for a loved one. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.